everybody. Today, this is going to be a short video just on how to do the expression review number 2. Let's just take a look here. This is the first frame. If you look up here, we'll see 5 frames. I think it's always good just to quickly click through them and see the length of the assignment. So we have some questions here. Oh, looks like a little bit of a shorter question here. Oh, look, there's my Bitmoji. I'm going to try to start putting those in. And then we have 3 questions here, 2 questions here. Oh, there's a kind of volume. And 1 challenge question, and then you're done. So this assignment, I'm guessing, is probably 8 minutes to 15 minutes, maybe a little bit longer if you have to go back and look up how to do things. Well, let's just take a look here. Juliana loves multiplying by 8 because then she can do the double, double, double strategy like we've been doing in class. So if we're going to write an expression up here, we're not solving for it. All we need to do is write the expression that shows us how to double, double, double. I think you know how to do that. And then on B, this is where we do solve. So do double 23, double that, and double it one more time to solve. And then you can come up with a different way to solve for this one. Any different way. You can even, well, you have to write an expression to solve it, but you don't have to solve it. Just write a different expression than double, double, double. Here we have a multiple choice problem. He adds 6 to 9, and then he multiplies by 17. Remember, we have add, we have multiply. So look at your answers. Think about order of operations and figure out which of these 3 would be the right one to pick. Caden divided 32 by 8 and then multiplied by 6. All right, we have divided, we have multiplied. Let's write this expression out. And then the equation, remember, equal, we're going to write out the equation to solve. Thinking about order of operations, but remember division, multiplication, division are actually on the same level, so you have to go from left to right. All right, evaluate, this means to solve or find the value, right? So when we're taking a look at these, you're thinking about order of operations. Go ahead, go to the pen, take the pen tool, change the color, and then I would like you to use the caret to show me which level you're doing first, right? Which of the operations are you choosing to start with? 1 by 1 by 1 cubes for this volume question, that is one of these cubes right here. You see, 1 by 1 by 1. So each cube is a 1 by 1 by 1 cube. So don't be confused by that. You can count these, or you can use the strategy in our class that we use to solve for how many cubes are in a prism. Do the same for here. Write the expression, and then you have to evaluate to figure out how many cubes are in total. If you get to the challenge, this is great. So Chloe's sorting out items in a thrift store. She finds a box of tiny blocks that has 1,344 written on the outside. She can see that each layer is 64 blocks. Think about this. How many layers of blocks are there? You can go ahead and you can do a diagram if you want. You can count them up, but show me some way of sorting this out. And then see if there is another way that you can fit these into a different box. All right, so that's the assignment today. 5 frames, about, what is this, 10 questions or so. Good luck, and if you have any questions, you can send me an email.